St Gallen, Wales. Here Bardd under the city bells chime, hymns in the air, Yucky da et y bar, Cymru are here. Find us in pubs and on pavement, in the cathedral where we sing of Angharad. See women on benches in disbelief that this is not a dream. In St Gallen we speak Cymraeg, Siamai to strangers. We swap languages and football stickers with locals. We say diolch and tell them what it means to us to be here. Game die, pulled by our heartstrings to this city by 25 of Llywodraeth Cymraeg. We are so proud to carry your names on our backs, to call you ours. Tonight we meet Frank. Tonight they call us Pays de Gallen. Our girls are tying their laces, pulling up their socks, wearing the shirt of a nation that would follow them anywhere. Allez les rouges. Tonight these St Gallen streets are ours.